Hello. All right, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, which is a lot later than I would normally get started. I've been playing around with NinjaTrader 8 all day and trying to determine if it's something I really want to use right now. I got all the charts set up and have been looking through it. I don't love it, y'all. I hear a lot of people sing praises about it. I don't love it. I feel like it's missing a few components. Definitely. So something that they can work on in the future to bring up to NinjaTrader 8. I actually deleted it off my computer today. I can't find a tick counter that will run next to my price. It'll only run down at the bottom, and that doesn't work for me. I need to see the price moving as I'm watching the tick counter move. And a lot of times when I was trying some simulation trades, it was covering up things, and so I deleted it. I'll come back to it in 6 months or so. It was pretty easy to set up the charts. It was lickety split to setting up the chart, so that's not a big deal. But there are just some things that are definitely missing right now, so maybe that'll pick up the pace a little bit later. Okay, let's look at what's happening today. Let me get rid of this. Here's our daily chart. So it pulled up to this area and it stopped here. We have these Bollinger, or these EMAs, that are looking really, really weak, looking very much like those Guppy Bellies EMAs, and they're getting inside. So what happens when it gets inside? It shows us weakness. Well, the direction is still technically down. We reached our first area. It didn't stop. Our second area, maybe we'll get up around 2,700 or something like that and then come back down. I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller. I can't tell you. But if you look at our next chart, direction is down. Pretty sharp angle down, trying to make that V pivot back up, but it looks like it's trying to continue down from here. I want to say down here. I want to give this an opportunity. Oh, it's pushing down so hard. Go ahead and take my 2 ticks on this. This may continue down. I'm going to get in a better area if it does. This is trying to roll off the 0 line, and this is continuing up. Nope. Didn't get me into that one. We're gonna go through here, I think. I like it. I like it. There we go. I'm gonna go 1 tick up. was really waiting to see, guys, I did move my wrist a little too quickly, was to see this pull back and come down and give me some divergence, which we may see here in just a moment. Might have just moved it a little too quickly. So I moved it with this first little pivot here. Where's our last pivot? Way up here. So it's really not even the spot to put it. Maybe even back behind here, but I'm good. I didn't want to lose too much on that. Okay, y'all, we're gonna wrap that up. Shoe. I don't know what happened. You know, I put in that new driver and I should have gotten a terabyte. So I'm having to be really careful with these videos and pull them off as I make them, because it starts to eat up a lot of my space even through using my Dropbox. So the second part of the video just wasn't there. I have no idea. It may have been because I have no idea. I have no idea. Anyways, let's look at just what else happened the rest of the day since we had some more time go by. This did end up going down. Oh, it went down pretty nicely. Just had to keep moving your wrist behind that area or taking these trades as it came down. Pulled down again. Finally gave some divergence inside of the Bollinger Bands here. Nice, good sign that it was moving back up to the upside as it was pulling back to up here. Look at the way it's pulling away from these areas. And we're anticipating it to come back. Remember, with the snapbacks, you don't expect it to stop at that first space. And it did not. It kept going. So it snapped up again, gave a nice little area for entry for the long here, and told us that it was coming back down. Nice little retracement divergence here, and here we are. So, I mean, guys, I just wanted to take a peek at it. I mean, 2 trades, 5.25 points. Hey, not gonna complain. After, I feel like I had a very rough day. My stomach is feeling a little queasy today. Had a long weekend with the kids since yesterday was a holiday, Martin Luther King Day, and I'm leaving to take my daughter to work in about 15 minutes. So we're gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna get this moving over. It'll be just a while before I get it up. But if you guys got any questions, you know, you can feel free to get in touch with me, responsibledaytrading.com. Or you can find me at support@responsibledaytrading or motivated.trader.love@gmail.com. So anyway, works for you. So hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their Tuesday, and I'll catch y'all on the profitable side.